Hello students, welcome all of you to today's English grammar class. In previous class, I have discussed briefly about the differences between direct and indirect speech. And in today's class, I am going to discuss about some important rules which are needed or which are required at the time of changing the speeches from direct to indirect. Okay. And in previous class also I have discussed about the reporting verb, that in direct speech we use comma after the reporting verb. And as reporting verb, we are using the verbs like say, said, tell, told, ask, asked, etc. Dear students, according to the reporting verb, some rules are there. Okay, reporting verb को नहीं विभिन्न प्रकार rules अच्छी. So look at the first rule. If the reporting verb is in the present tense or in future, then the tense of the direct speech remain unchanged. Okay, for that look at the example here. The traveler says I am tired. The traveler says I am tired. Dear students, here says is the reporting verb and I am tired is the actual word of the traveler. Okay, so when we change this sentence into indirect, so this sentence is in direct speech. When this sentence we change into indirect speech, at that time according to rule it never change. Why? Because the reporting verb is in present tense. But my dear students, look at here. Here comma and inverted commas are omitted, and instead of that we use here one conjunction, that is that. I have already discussed it in my previous class, that while we change this sentence into indirect speech, at that time we use one conjunction, that is that. Tense of the direct speech remain unchanged. Look at here, I am tired is written as he is tired, which is in present tense. एटी परिवर्तन कोनोसी प्रकार हेबो नाही. रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब जदि तुमर प्रेजेंट टेंस रे अछि पिला, तेबे जो रिपोर्टेड स्पीच रो टेंस रे कोनोसी प्रकार परिवर्तन होई ना थाए. केवल परिवर्तन हेइथे तार कर्ता रे. पिला माने एठी हमें देखिले जो आई नामक कर्ताटी ट्रैवलर को सूचित करछि. मो किमा तुमे नुह ट्रैवलर को सूचित करछि. सो से गुटे थर्ड पर्सन. सो वी यूज हियर ही and we know that he takes the verb is. Dear students, here I want to say that when we change the sentence from direct speech into indirect speech, at that time we change the subject. So we use the subject of third person in indirect speech. Okay, like look at the table here. I, me, myself, we, our, ourselves are called first person. You, your, yours, yourself called the second person. And he, she, his, her, him, himself, herself, they, them and themselves are the third person. So at the time of changing the sentence from direct to indirect, we use the third person subjects. Okay students, तृतीय पुरुषर कर्ता गुडी को आमे एठारे बसई थाउ एवं अकॉर्डिंगली से को कर्ता को आमे बसैबा सही कर्ता अनुसार ही आमे भार्ब को बसैबा. Likewise, look at the second example. He will say, I shall go to the bed early. So what will be the answer here? This is in direct speech. The sentence is in direct speech. So when we change it into indirect speech, what will be the answer? He will say that he will go to bed early. Okay, look at here. Here also we are not changing the tense of the direct speech, that remain unchanged here. Here also we omitted the comma and inverted comma, and instead of that we use the conjunction here that, and we change I into third person subject, that is he. And according to the subject we use the verb will. पिला माने हमें जानि छे subject अनुसार से क्रियाटी बसी थाए. तेणु as we use he here, so accordingly we use the verb will. So the answer is he will say that he will go to bed early. that is in indirect speech. Dear students, now look at the second rule. What is the second rule here? It is also related to your reporting verb. Okay. If the reporting verb is in the past tense, then the tense of the direct speech is changed accordingly. Dear students, this rule or the second rule is just opposite of the first rule. Look at here. If the reporting verb is in the past tense, in first rule, if the reporting verb is in present tense, difference is only that the reporting verb is in present tense, so no change is there, and here reporting verb is in past tense, so change occurs here. What type of changes occur? Look at the points here I have given. Now look at the first one. How present simple change into first simple while we change the sentence from direct to indirect speech. Okay. Look at the example here. Ramo said, I am sick. Ramo said, I am sick. The sentence is in direct speech and you have to told to change it into indirect speech. So what will be the answer? Ramo said that he was sick. Ramo said that he was sick. Okay. So according to the rule, if the reporting verb, look at here, said is the reporting verb which is in past tense. So according to the rule, the tense of the direct speech change accordingly. It means here present simple is changed into first simple. Look at here, I am sick. The sentence is in present simple and so we change it into he was sick which is in first simple. Okay. Now look at the second one. How present progressive change into past progressive. Second one. Look at the example here. He said, I am going to school. I am going to school or home. He said, I am going to home. So what will be the answer? When we change it into indirect speech, the answer will be, he said that he was going to home. He was going to home. Okay. Look at here. The reporting verb is in past tense. And look at here. The sentence is in present progressive. So according to the rule, the present progressive change into past progressive. So then look at here. I am going to home is written as he was going to home in indirect speech. ठीक है? Now how present perfect change into past perfect. Look at the example here. Seema said, I have done my homework. Seema said, I have done my homework. Okay. What will be the answer when we change it into indirect speech? The answer will be, Seema said that she had done her homework. Okay. So according to the rule, look at here. The verb is in past simple. The reporting verb is in past tense. So, and look at the sentence here. I have done my homework. The sentence is in present perfect. According to the rule, the present perfect change into past perfect. So, look at the sentence here, which we have written in indirect speech. She had done her homework. Okay, she had done her homework. Dear students, Now look at how present perfect progressive change into past perfect progressive. Okay, look at the example here. Rekha said, I have been working in the garden since morning. When we change it into indirect speech, what will be the answer? Rekha said that she had been working in the garden since that morning. Here, as said is in past tense, so I have been working is changed into she had been working. Okay, now look at the next one, how past simple is changed into past perfect. Okay, look at the example here. The peon said, I posted the letter. The answer will be, the peon said that he had posted the letter. And look at the next one, she said, I took it home with me. The answer will be, she said that she had taken it home with her. Look at here, the reporting verb is in past tense. So, I posted the letter, change into he had posted the letter, and I took it home with me, change into she had taken it home with her. Okay. Dear students, I have discussed few rules in today's class. There are also some other rules. It is difficult to explain all these rules in one class, so I will discuss other rules in my next class. Okay, so that's all for today's class, and meet you in my next class. That's all. Thank you.